Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the voice recorder on the ONYX Boox Go 6. So to use the voice recorder, the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Apps tab. Then we're going to go to the recorder. It should be somewhere right here. There we go. And now that we're in the voice recorder, what you can do is just tap on the microphone icon, and you should start speaking. Oh, sorry, not the microphone icon, this icon on the bottom. So once you tap this icon, it's going to record your audio. So you can either pause the recording and then resume it by tapping the button again, or you can stop it by pressing the square icon on the left. And once the recording is saved, what you can do is either go to the voice recorder like file section, or check the recently recorded audio by tapping on that icon on the bottom right and just selecting your recording. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.